Hello everyone, this video is about the demonstration of our custom module Odoo Open Banking Statement. After installing our module, inside the setting under the user tab, inside the users, you can see the basic bank sync options in which you can give the read-only account as administrator and no options to the specific users. If you have set the user with the administrator, then inside accounting configuration, you can see all these functionalities from the basic bank sync and in the configuration. Now if I will give the access of the accountant, then I will not be able to see the API configurations of the Basiq connector. So for now I am setting this to the administrator. Now moving into the accounting, inside the API configuration, we need to create a new basic configuration. Inside that we need to paste the API key, and after it select the environment, sandbox or the production, then click on the test connection and it will shift from draft to confirm state. And after it, here we have operational setting tab. Inside it we have automatic synchronization, and for that we have different methods. The default sync interval, it will sync the datas automatically within the time period of 24 hours. Log retention period, here you can see that there is a tab for the sync log. Those log will be deleted after 30 days, and so more log data will not be congested. Default transaction sync days, this method will automatically sync the transactions that will be within the time period of the 30 days or whatever time you will take it. I'm changing here. You can also see all the scheduled methods from the schedule action smart button. Here also from you can change the hours or other required things. Now moving into the configuration, you can see that the data has been changed. Here we have the bank generals. Default it will be set to bank, and if you have added different journals in the journal mapping, then it can be visible here and you can select it. Here also the email template has been set, and you can change the message of the email template, whatever you want to change it. Then there is the webhook setting. Here you can create the webhook for the Basiq, and then those events that will be supported or fetched by your Basiq account will be seen here. If you need to delete any of these webhook, then remove from here and click on the update webhook and it will update it. Now move to the Basiq user. So from here you can create a new user from the Odoo side and it will directly be created in the Basiq. And you will receive the Basiq ID. Now for the connecting the bank, we need to require the consent of the user. So I'm taking the consent of connecting the user's bank account. There we have various options like manage, extend, update and renew. Now sending the mail. So you can see that the mail has been sent. Here you can see that I have received the mail, and from here I will provide my consent, and then I will select the bank account. I have entered my login and password. Now the data has been fetched and connected, so it will automatically direct to the Odoo. To automatically redirect from the Basiq to Odoo, you need to add the redirect link in the Basiq into the customization. Inside the flow, you have to set in the redirect URL and then save it. Then only it will automatically redirect to Odoo from the Basiq. Now going into the user again and then syncing the data. The synchronization event will be working in the backend and your UI will not be get phrased. Here also you have the options of the connection, in which the bank account of the users which will be connected here will be seen with the user ID and its details. In the journal mapping, you can create the new journals and also select the journals from the Odoo in which you need to fetch the data. Then we have the sync log. It will show the logs that will be completed or in the progress or any error. So you can see that the data of the users has been synced completely. Now we'll move into the user, and here the connection ID is also been created and all the bank accounts has been fetched. Now we'll move to the dashboard. So here you can see the all the connected banks, its active connection, total transactions, any expiry warning of the consent, any failures, and also can navigate into the users, mapping, logs and credentials of the API. After the synchronization of the statement inside the bank, you can see all your data of the bank account into the Odoo. So here I conclude the demonstration of the Odoo Open Banking connector. Thank you.